Today we're gonna be making Thanksgiving meal for my family. It's actually Wednesday, like the Wednesday week before of Thanksgiving. And that's because we're all going to Korea during Thanksgiving, and the days before that is like kind of a mess. So the only day that works really is today, and everyone's busy. So I have a few things that I'm trying to make. Okay, one is instead of a full turkey, since it's just my family, we're gonna do just the turkey breast. I have it here, it's been defrosting. It has the bones and everything. We're gonna do Brussels sprouts with nuts and cranberries. We're gonna do the yams with the marshmallow, the mashed potato and gravy, as well as Teeny's mac and cheese, if you know what that is. I think that's about it. It's currently almost 3 p.m. so I'm gonna start working on the turkey. That's what I'm gonna start on. Let's go. Okay, for the turkey, okay, I need preheat the oven first. Okay, then make the herb butter and then prep turkey, and then we'll roast. So first, I'm gonna combine butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and fresh herbs in a bowl. Some butter, thyme, sage, and then my garlic. And also, outside we have a rosemary bush that I'm gonna steal some rosemary from. There you go. And I'm gonna chop everything real quick. Good herb butter right there. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the turkey from the packaging, use paper towels to pat down the turkey dry, loosen the skin, season it with some salt and pepper, and then put some of the herb butter under the skin, and then spread it over the remaining side of the breast, and then place it on the baking sheet, and then go into the oven. It's gonna be around in the hour for like around an hour and 25 minutes. I just forgot to put the butter in. One sec. I'm just gonna dice some garlic and then just smear it around it, I guess. I don't know. Oops. Okay, now I'm gonna make the mac and cheese, because there's a lot of steps to that one. As far as I know, it's just a lot of grating. So I'm gonna first just grate all my cheese. All of this, I got Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, and mozzarella that we're gonna grate a bit. Ow. No. That's all the cheese grated. Put this here. We're gonna mix it. Okay, we'll just split it in half. Split it in half. One for the cheese sauce and one for the layering. Okay, there you go. Boom. Easy. Okay, we're gonna mix the spices now. The garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper. Mix, mix, mix. Huge. Okay, our water is boiling. Have it tappy for 8 minutes. Ooh, butter. Half the seasoning. Okay, and then we'll add flour in and make our roux. Stir, stir, stir. Some evaporated milk. Oh, it's hot. Leave that aside. Add the cheese slowly at a time. Look at that, it's thick as hell. Okay, drained. Oh shit, it's all stuck together. Holy, look at that. And then we'll put it in our dish. Boom. Then the rest of it. That will go in the oven for 25 minutes. Check on the turkey. There it is. The mac and cheese. There it is. What the fuck? There it is. Okay, let's peel some potatoes. We'll dice these. the yams. Damn, it's hard. What the fuck? Okay, that seems like enough. I plan on using this small pan so I can not make that much. Okay, our sweet potatoes. Some water. Boom. Okay, the mac and cheese is done baking. That's what it looks like. Ooh, look at that shit. So that now I'm gonna broil it. Broil. Start. It's broiling. That looks good. I'm gonna take it out now, and then I'm gonna put foil over it, and then these are done. So I'm gonna drain them and then add the milk and butter and everything. Add some butter. Let that melt around a little in there. Okay, that has seen some butter and cream. It's looking very smooth. Some salt and pepper.